Another little tip, camera's at an angle. Another little tip, when you're doing a hunting setup, especially if you're going to be, nighttime hunting, you want to make sure everything is within comfortable, where you can manage everything comfortably, with your light. If you're sitting there, you want to have it adjusted, where everything is just simple, easy movements, turning the camera on, things like that, hitting record. This camera comes with a remote, so you can sit there, you turn it on, and you leave it on, or will it work? Anyways, it comes with the remote, so you don't even have to go up to touch it to get it start recording. I mean, you can sit here, go with your hand, turn on your light, and you can have that remote velcroed right here on and just hit record on it, and it'll start recording for you, and you can sit there and take your shots, even during the daytime, whatever. So what it boils down to is less movement. You want the more that you can blend in, which means it isn't just camouflage when blending in, because camouflage is also blending in is a movement. You don't want unnatural movement, especially like if the wind's blowing everything this way and you move like that way, you're going to go against everything that's moving. You're going to stick out even that much more. So it's less movement, less that you're doing anything like that. It's not too bad. Like I said, that's just a little quick tip, to make sure everything is within comfort zones. Sit there, hand doesn't move that much. You got your remote right there. Light's about the only thing you're going to have to move on it. But other than that, that is it. Thanks for watching.